నీ దయరాదా రామని దయరాదా రామని దయరాదా నీ దయరాదా రామా కాదని వారెవరు కాదని వారెవరు కాదని వారెవరు కళ్యాణ రామాని దయరాదా రామని దయరాదా రామా నన్ను బ్రోచేవాడవని నాడే తెలిసే ఇనవంశతిలక 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 ఇంత తామసమాని దయరాదా రామని దయరాదా రామా రామ 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 త్యాగరాజ హృత్సదన నామది తల్లడిల్లగా నామది తల్లడిల్లగా న్యాయమా రామాని దయరాదా రామా. This composition needs some analysis. Sari Gama Pada Ni, the 7 notes. The Ni is the 7th node, referring to the Sahasrara Chakra, and in this composition, Tyagaraja, Ni, the Ikara in the Ni, also refers to the Anahata Chakra or the Hridaya Chakra, the middle of the 7 chakras. So Tyagaraja trying to connect the energy harmony of northbound and southbound forces, that is what is Rama. So he is trying to remove the blockages that are existing in this energy harmony, Sivasekta Samarasya, in his body, and he is seeking Rama's blessings to get rid of these blockages, and one can see his the efforts to get rid of these blockages and to receive further the nectar of this universal harmony in the process. So that's why he says Ni Dayarada. Ni is the Sahasrara Chakra, effort to reach the Sahasrara Chakra. So in order to establish this harmony within his body, he is even gone to the extent of accusing Rama of tamasama, inta tamasama. That means you are having this heavy duty karmacharana items of tamogunas, that's why you are not responding. And subsequent charanam, he says Rama 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 Rama. 4 times he says Rama 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 Rama, Tyagaraja Hutsadana. So, as already discussed, Anahata Chakra is the middle of the 7 chakras. So, from Anahata Chakra till Sahasrara Chakra is 4 chakras. So, he is trying to cross these 4 chakras by refilling those Rama energy, which is the harmony energy of northbound and southbound. Rama, 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 Jagaraja Husadana. And then it's interesting that Jagaraja is seeking justice. Nyayama Rama, he says, but those who are committing mistake or those who are fearful, they only in those cases you need justice. Those who are fearless, you don't need justice. Justice is beyond the fearlessness is beyond justice. So it's interesting that Tyagaraja, such an evolved soul, trying to seek justice in order to establish and draw this unconditional nectar of cosmic energy from the universe. Welcome to the 175th episode of Lalita Divya Rahasya Sahasranama Stotra. In the previous episode, we have discussed the Nama Vyakta Vyakta Swarupini. In Nrsimha Purana, Trayovinsati Tattvani Vyakta Sabdena Surayaha Vadantya Vyakta Sabdena Prakrutimcha Parantadha. In Brahmanda Purana, Vyakta Vyaktecha Vyakta Vyaktamcha Vyaktama Vyaktam Vyakta Vyaktam. In a scripture known as Brahma Vaivarta Purana, Swayambhuvam Banalingam Saivalingam iti Tridha Kirtitam Vyaktam Avyaktam Vyakta Vyaktam iti Kramat Vyaktam Bhukti Pradam Mukti Pradam Avyaktam Uchyate Bhukti Mukti Pradam Lingam Vyakta Vyaktam Prachakshate Dvitristulam Samarudham Vruddhimeti Nahiyate Tad Banalingam Buditam Sesham Sailam Vidurbhada. In a scripture known as Sakti Rahasya, Vyapini Paramasakti Patite Tyutyate Kadam Urdhva Dadho Gatihi Pato Murtasya Sarvagasya Cha Satyam Sa Vyapini Nitya Sahaja Sivavat Stita Kim Tviyam Malakarmadi Pasabadheshu Suvyakta Patitetyupa Charyate. With this Nama, this sloka is completed. Moola Prakriti Ravyakta Vyakta Vyakta Swarupini. What does it mean? Moola Prakriti as faculty of intellect, Avyakta as faculty of discretion, and Vyakta Vyakta Swarupini as faculty of mind. Next Nama is Vyapini, the seventh generation Kalyana human, extending the range of Karmacharana cycle. The soul-driven Karmacharana for the seventh generation human was initiated with the Nama Moola Prakriti. Every soul-driven act performed by seventh generation human, his soul energy enriches. The soul-driven Karmacharana process initially started with small tasks of opening those containers, trying to eat on his own, etc. Now attempting a bigger tasks. That is what is extending his Karmacharana cycle. That is what is Vyapini. As the soul energy is enriched, so are the faculties. As a consequence, personality is blossoming. The seventh generation human creating a unique identity for himself through his soul-driven Karmacharana. Vyapini means personality terminating in Panchabrahma, air element, and Panchabrahma in Anahata attempting to sharpen the intellect. This whole process registering as faculty of personality, Karmacharana, in Manipuraka Chakra. The contribution of Manipuraka Chakra already mentioned in the previous episode. Vividhaka, next Nama is Vividhakara. The ensemble of range of Karmachana of 7th generation Kalyana human through the Nama Vyapini, 7th generation Kalyana human proliferated in his Karmachana cycle. Armed with the enriched soul energy and blossomed personality, 7th generation human furthers his Karmachana or action. In the process, he creates a critical size or ensemble of various Karmachana cycles from which he can play with. He will use the basic information stored in this ensemble to derive new forms of Karmachana. For example, if Karmachana A, Karmachana B are stored in this ensemble, with the help of his faculties, he can quickly attempt a derived form, a new Karmachana cycle, A plus B, A minus B, a product of A, B, etc., etc. So that is Vividhakara. The soul, prior to assuming a physical body, opts for certain tastes, for certain goals and avenues. Until the soul participation happens in the cycle of Karmachana, the 7th generation human exhibits various forms of Karmachana. He has exhibited various forms of Karmachana. During that phase, he gets acquaintance with Dakshinachara, Vamachara and Samayachara cycles. Subsequently, soul participates in the Karmachana cycle. The ensemble of Karmachana cycles created by 7th generation human consists of various sets. These include Karmachana performed towards sense gratification, some Karmachana just to satisfy the ego, and some other Karmachana towards enrichment of soul energy. All these put together is Vividhakara. And these impressions shaping up the personality of 7th generation human. Through this Nama Vividhakara, Nirupaplava re-enters planet Earth. Remaining part we will discuss in the next episode. Thank you.